Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can connect Payoneer to Etsy. So in this step-by-step guide, we have 5 steps. Let's start with the first one, which is to go to the payment settings. So you just have to log into Etsy and then go to Shop Manager. And then from there, just navigate to the finances and select payment settings. So this step is required if Etsy payments is not fully supported in your region. Next is to select external payment method. So under the payment section, look for the option to set up your external payment account and select connect with Payoneer. So the prompt may be labeled as get paid with Payoneer, so you just have to tap it to proceed. And it will redirect you, and then you just have to log in or to sign up. So Etsy will redirect you to the official Payoneer website. So just sign into your existing Payoneer account. And if you don't have one, you will need to complete the application process first. Next is to authorize connection. So Payoneer will show a summary of permissions, allowing Etsy to send funds. So just review and click the authorize or accept. Then this step securely links your Payoneer account to your Etsy shop. Lastly is to confirm linkage in Etsy. So you will be redirected back to Etsy. So your payment settings should now show Payoneer as the payment method for receiving funds. So you may need to wait up to 24 to 48 hours for the link to be fully verified before receiving your first deposit. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!